I have a question which has been going through my mind since long back. So they say that being empathetic is a good thing, but every time it's not good. What's your opinion on it?
Empathy. What is empathy? Placing yourself in the shoes of other person and understanding the perspective of that person. You have seen a visually challenged child trying to cross the road. If you laugh at the first person, that is no empathy. In fact, that is an extreme form of negative behavior. You should try to understand the plight of that person. You can do that only when you think you are also in that position. Have you ever tried to pick up an object when there is power cut in your room? There is power cut, room is totally dark. You wanted to pick up, say, a candle or a match box or any such object. How difficult it will be? It was for you when you don't have power. I mean, when you can't see for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we all feel so much of discomfort. Now imagine the condition of those children who can't see forever. Same way, there are so many disadvantaged groups in the society. Orphans are there, people suffering from disease. Today corona is spreading. People who get infected, already they have enough problem. Okay, now they are facing the discrimination of the neighbors, which is bad. You should imagine, suppose if it happens to me, to my family members, how would I react? What will be my feeling? Once you place yourself in the position of other person, you will understand their plight. Children, when you grow up tomorrow, you have to become leaders. Leader, who is a leader? Not necessarily a political leader. You may become a doctor, you will become head of the department or head of the hospital. You may run a TV channel, you are the head of the CEO or editor of the TV channel, whatever, the boss of TV channel. So everybody is a leader. I mean, all the people who have got certain number of people to manage, to lead, are called leaders. You can become a good leader only when you empathize with your team members. If you talk only from your angle, you are the boss, you have a car, you have a driver, and you have come to the office in spite of the rain. For example, now from my home, I came to this recording studio. In the car, driver was driving. So I didn't got wet in spite of the heavy rain outside. This may not be possible for everybody. The cameraman here, he might have come in a scooter. So when it is raining, it's not that easy to ride a two-wheeler on city roads. If he has come a bit late, if I start blasting him, hey, why you came late? I don't care if there is rain or no rain. It is your duty to come on time. Then he may not answer anything in front of me, but he will start hating me. My team members will not support me wholeheartedly. When I understand you, for example, now I have to empathize with you, children. March 15th onwards, today is the program is being recorded. This program may be watched by others later, a few days later, but today is August 15th. The recording is going on. March 15th to August 15th. How many months? 5 months. You are at home. No school. You can't go out of your home. Okay, for this program, your parents have brought you. Okay, otherwise, normally you can't go out of your house. You can't play outside. Your regular life, your regular routine got seriously disturbed. You can't come to school, you can't see the teachers, you can't meet your classmates. So there is some psychological pressure on you. If I start scolding you, hey, why are you not answering this? Why are you not telling this? I should understand you, isn't it? If you are committing a mistake, if you are not able to recollect something, I should understand you from your perspective, from your angle. So, empathy is required everywhere. Husband should empathize with wife. Wife should empathize with husband. Parents should empathize with children. Children should empathize with parents. Do you empathize your parents? Empathize with your parents? Hey, my parents keep finding faults with me, Ray, all the time. They want only marks, Ray. They want me to study all the time, Ray. You feel bad at times. If you understand from their angle, they're working so hard. Now, these COVID times, many people have lost their jobs, but still they want your education to be continued. So they are paying the fee. Why they are doing all this? They could have removed you from slate. They could have admitted you into some school where the fee is less, or maybe government school. They want you to get the best, so that when you grow up, you will become a leader. You will meet with success in your life. So that is their intention. They are under pressure. They understand now my child is in 8th class, 9th class, whatever class the children who are watching the program are in. Now this is the time when my child should put in effort, so that after intermediate my child gets a seat in a good college. It could be IIT, it could be other engineering colleges or medical colleges, whatever, depending on your interest and their aspirations. So they're feeling the pressure. So you should empathize with your parents. Every moment you should, in fact, I would say you should empathize with animals. Now, when I was on my way to the studio near Begumpet flyover, I saw a dog. It's raining heavily. It was close to the road divider under the flyover. So it was not raining that heavily. It was trying to cross the road. Lots of vehicles are running on the road. Now imagine the plight of the dog. How bad it must be feeling. It can't stay there because it is raining. Of course, not that heavily raining, but it wants to go to the other end, but it can't cross the road. I empathized with the dog, but unfortunately I couldn't do anything, because if I stop the vehicle there, it will cause traffic jam. So many vehicles were on their way. At times we may be helpless, but to the extent possible, help the person. And even if you want to bring change in the person, if you simply criticize the child, criticize the person, change will not come. Only when you understand from that person's point of view, then you can suggest, okay, see, I understand you, children, you are at home, you are feeling bored, you are feeling low, but we can't help children. Now this is pandemic situation. We hope that this situation will change quite soon. We hope that this pandemic will come to an end and the good old days will come back. Till that time, stay at home, study well, pay attention to head's program, note down the points, read books, sharpen your skills. That way, once I understand you, your plight, I can suggest you. Then you will accept it. Without doing that, you are sitting at home, no work, no job. What you are doing? If I tell this, will you take it positively? You will not, isn't it? So, empathy is required at all the times with all the people. Okay?